Etsy versus Shopify versus BigCartel, where to create your online store. Hey guys, welcome. In this video, I'm comparing Etsy with Shopify and BigCartel. We'll figure out which one of these platforms is better for you to create your online store and where to get started. So let's get into it. Up first, we have Shopify.com. Shopify.com is a very famous e-commerce platform that allows you to get started and create your online store. Getting started with Shopify is really easy. You can create your own account with your email address or using your Google account. Once you create an account, it takes you right here. Now, Shopify is really famous for its high quality features and tools, and it's available in US. It allows you to create a US and EU based business as well, and it is available globally. So on Shopify, you will be able to create products, you will be able to create variants of products. We have customers, we will be able to work on the marketing, and when it comes to the storefront, we have customizable, very good themes available. We also have a Shopify app store that allows us to add different types of apps to our Shopify to help us with our store. If you want to do drop shipping, then you will be able to get the products from AliExpress, Amazon, and sell them on Shopify. You can also integrate a print on demand with Shopify to sell that kind of products. We can add different review apps here. We can add email marketing apps within our Shopify. How to create a product on Shopify? You can go to shopify.com and then you will go to the product here. Let me show you how to add a product. It's actually really easy. Click on add product and it will take you right here. You have to enter a title. So I'm just gonna add the title of a, let's say, t-shirt. Then we can add a description for the product here. Then we have to upload a media where we can upload files, different images, videos, and even 3D models. So this is the file that I have uploaded. And then we have the pricing that I will add here. We have inventory options. We have shop location. We have shipping, variants. And then we also have our, you can see the results here that we will be seeing. We can create categories to different products here. We can add vendors, collections, and tags too. Click on save and a product is created. We can create different coupons and discounts with Shopify too. When it comes to a Shopify settings, we get plans here, we have users and permissions, and we have easy payment methods. With Shopify, we will be able to add any kind of payment provider to accept payments. You just have to choose a provider. There are different supported payment methods as well. So all of the different payment methods are actually available on Shopify. If you want to accept MasterCard, Visa card, if you want to accept any other card, then you will be able to do so. There are different providers available, and we also have manual payment method that we can add to Shopify. When it comes to the domain name, you will be able to get your own domain name with Shopify. It is known as your store name myshopify.com. So this is the domain that we get with Shopify. But if we want to buy a new domain or connect our existing domain, we will be able to do so from here. We can also add gift cards. And when it comes to the shipping, we will be able to set different rates. We have here, we can send different emails that are actually created with coding, and you will be able to set order confirmation emails. We have order edited emails, invoices, and different types of emails here. We can create multi-language store as well. If you go to the language section, click on add language, and you will be able to convert your store into any other language. So you can see this is an overview of Shopify. I showed you all of the different features and tools you are getting. So now you have an idea what are the different features you will be getting if you sign up for Shopify. When it comes to Shopify.com, it is good for a big business, and it will allow you to get started as a complete beginner and actually build a brand. Moving on, we have BigCartel.com. You can go to BigCartel.com. It's a website that allows you to create your online store and sell your products. If we compare BigCartel to Shopify, then of course Shopify is like more of a businesses for very large businesses, and BigCartel is good for as a complete beginner. I would say BigCartel is very easy to use. It has a lot of different features and tools again to create a store. So you get started very easily. You can sign up with your Google account or your email address, and it takes you to your BigCartel dashboard. On BigCartel, we can again create a storefront. We will be able to design a website. We will be getting our overview. We will be able to add different products. Let me show you how to add a product in BigCartel. So I'm going to go to the product section here, and we will create a new product. So you will upload the product image here, add product name, description, and category. So let's add a product name. You can see we can upload an image, then add product name, description. In categories, you can create different kind of categories on your shop. Then we have the status here. We can add the pricing. We can scroll down to add different options. This is where I will create the variants of a product. So yes, variants we can create on BigCartel as well and on Shopify too. Then we have shipping here, and then we have US tax category. So you can see even by the look, you can tell that this is BigCartel, and then we created a product on Shopify as well. This is the difference between creating a product on BigCartel and Shopify. Then I will click on save, and the product will be created. This product will be listed on my online store that we have created. So we're gonna go to the account here, and then we have the design option. So here on BigCartel, we have a lot of different templates to go for. We also have different themes on Shopify to create an online store. So you can see this is the look of my store, and I can go to the themes here, and I will be able to select from multiple themes available. Very good and high quality themes are available. So this is the one that I have already, and I can switch between the themes. This is a storefront. I can do the settings. I can create more than one pages. We can create pages with coding too. When it comes to the shipping, we will be able to create our shipping profiles here and connect an easy payment method too. We can connect PayPal, Stripe, and we can also accept payments online or in person. So this is a BigCartel. You will create a store, and then you will start accepting your orders. Moving on, we have Etsy. You can go to etsy.com and you will land right here. Now, Etsy is a little different than Shopify and BigCartel. On Etsy, we have an open marketplace to sell our products. And as a complete beginner, once you go to etsy.com, it will take you right here to actually buy the products. You will have to scroll down right here and go to sell on Etsy so that it takes you to create an account to sell products on Etsy. On Etsy, the marketplace is huge if we compare it to Shopify and BigCartel. Especially Etsy has millions of different shoppers because it is like AliExpress or Amazon. People come here to find the products. There are different products that are always trending on Etsy, and we will be able to sell them. Creating a store on Etsy is really easy. You can just now click on open my store. You can click on get started, and it will allow you to create your store. You can sign up with your Google account, your Facebook, or your Apple ID. After that, you will be able to add products too. Adding a product has a lot of different steps on Etsy if we compare it to Shopify or BigCartel. Because in Etsy, we are listing our product as like on a shop that we have created here. And we can also, with Shopify, we can also do drop shipping. And with Etsy, we can actually sell our own products. Etsy is really famous for especially its handcrafts and collectibles. See, you will be able to sell like jewelry and accessories. We have different categories already created, and we can sell our products here. So as a complete beginner, you don't need to create a shop name. For instance, on Shopify, you have a store. On BigCartel, you have a store, you have a brand, and you sell your product. On Etsy, what I can do is I can just create a digital planner and sell on Etsy. So that's how Etsy works. So it's actually a very good platform for beginners, and you can get started for free. Let's check out the pricing plan for these platforms. So Shopify has three pricing plans. We have a basic for $19 per month if billed yearly. Then we have Shopify plan for $49 per month if billed yearly, and then advanced is $299 per month if billed yearly. So this is the pricing plan for Shopify. On BigCartel, we have a free plan available and there's no credit card required. Then there is a plan for 50 products and we have $9.99 per month, and then 500 products for $19.99 per month. BigCartel is cheaper than Shopify. When it comes to Etsy, we have a Etsy Standard, which is for free, and then Etsy Plus for $10 per month. So this is the pricing plan for Etsy, and this is the pricing plan for Shopify and BigCartel. All of these platforms will allow you to create your own store and sell your products and run a successful business online. Now it depends on you. I hope this video was a big help, and now you will be able to make an informed decision which platform to go for. Don't forget to give this video a big thumbs up, leave a comment down below, turn on bell notification, and subscribe to YouTube channel.